Have you ever wondered why it rains, why it snows, or why some days are boiling hot while others are freezing cold? Well, let's dive into the world of weather wonders. Weather, in a nutshell, is the state of the atmosphere at any given time and place. It's what you encounter when you step outside. The sunshine on a summer day, the chill of a winter morning, the pitter-patter of rain on your window. Weather shapes our daily lives. It influences what we wear, how we travel, and even our moods. But have you ever stopped to think about what causes these weather patterns? In this video, we'll unpack the science behind key weather phenomena: precipitation, which includes rain and snow; temperature, which can swing from hot to cold; and atmospheric pressure, which can be high or low. So, are you ready for this atmospheric adventure? Stay tuned to discover the fascinating science behind these weather phenomena. Rain and snow, two of the most common weather phenomena, but do you know why they happen? Let's start with precipitation. It's just a fancy word that meteorologists use to describe any water, liquid or solid, that falls from the sky. It all begins with tiny water droplets in the atmosphere that come together to form clouds. Now, whether these droplets turn into rain or snow depends on a few factors. The main one is temperature. If the air is warm all the way down to the ground, we get rain. But if the air is freezing, these droplets turn into ice crystals, and voila, we get snow. Then there are other types of precipitation like sleet and hail. Sleet is just rain that freezes before it hits the ground, and hail is formed when there are strong updrafts in a storm. Next time it rains or snows, remember the incredible journey those water droplets have taken to reach you. Ever wondered why some days you're sweating and others you're shivering? Let's dive into the world of temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is, and in the case of weather, it's typically measured in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. A variety of factors can affect it, including the amount of sunlight we receive, the time of year, and even our geographical location. For instance, during summer, the Earth is tilted towards the sun, leading to longer, hotter days. Conversely, in winter, the Earth is tilted away, resulting in shorter, colder days. Then we have heat waves and cold snaps. A heat wave is an extended period of excessively hot weather, while a cold snap is a sudden drop in temperature within a 24-hour period. Both can be influenced by changes in atmospheric pressure or wind patterns. So, the next time you check the forecast, you'll know exactly what's behind those numbers. Atmospheric pressure, ever heard of it? It's a key player in our weather. Essentially, it's the weight of the air above us, and it can vary across different parts of the Earth. High-pressure systems, where the air is denser and heavier, often bring clear skies and calm conditions. Picture a pleasant, sunny day with a gentle breeze. That's high pressure at work. On the flip side, we have low-pressure systems. Here, the air is lighter, rising and creating clouds, potentially leading to precipitation. So when you're caught in a sudden downpour, you can blame it on low pressure. But here's the catch. These pressure systems aren't stagnant. They're constantly moving, and it's the differences in pressure that drive our wind and storm systems. Think about it as a kind of atmospheric tug-of-war, with winds rushing from high to low pressure areas, creating our weather patterns. Remember, weather is all about balance, and pressure plays a pivotal role in maintaining it. We've covered a lot today, so let's recap before we test your weather wisdom. We started our journey with the magic of weather, exploring the mesmerizing phenomena of rain and snow. Remember, precipitation is just water in different forms falling from the sky. Then we turned up the heat and chilled out to understand the extremes of temperature. From the scorching deserts to the icy poles, temperature variation makes our planet diverse and fascinating. Finally, we dived into the world of highs and lows, unraveling the mystery of atmospheric pressure. It's this pressure that influences our weather patterns, from sunny skies to stormy days. Now, are you ready to put your weather wisdom to the test? We've got a short quiz lined up for you. So think back to the rain and snow, the hot and cold, and the highs and lows. Thanks for joining us today on this weather journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Quick Facts channel for more fascinating videos. Now let's see how you did on that quiz.